Okay, so I did receive my hip hop record of the month from VMP. Please, this is something new. I haven't heard this album yet, and I haven't heard a full project from Blue, so this is a blind buy. I pretty much just bought this just to get Saba Few Good Things, the VMP Please exclusive, and I did manage to secure that. So if I do like this project, I will keep it. If not, I'll sell it. So yeah, here's the front cover. Here's a sticker. And then the cover art, and then the Hobie strip. Here's the side. And then here's the back. It's a nice back. And then there's the stamp. And then here's the Hobie strip. And then it just tells you what the project is about, I think, right? Okay, let's go ahead, take this out of the bag here, or the sleeve, I should say. And here's the Obi, the VMP Please Obi. And yeah, here's the back. There's the track list. Again, I can't tell you guys what my favorite song on here is because I haven't even listened to this project. But yeah, the sleeve feels, the jacket feels great, just like all of the VMP Please jackets feel. It's like that good quality. And here it is. Looks like this is the lyrics for each song. And then here's the artist, Blue. Let's check out the records. I believe they should be blue, but I could be wrong. Right. Looks like we got some notes. Here it is. Words by Nate. Looks like a little mini review, I think. Okay. Some good quality notes. Okay, we'll put this to the side. Let's see what else comes with. I'm telling you, this is like some good quality jacket. Let's take a look at the record. Comes in a nice sleeve, as always. And I believe that is it. Okay. It's just a single LP. Side A, side B. Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's a nice turquoise blue. Look at this. I am not sure if this is only supposed to be here in the corner or if it's supposed to be throughout the LP. But if it's only in the corner, then that sucks. But hey, the color looks amazing. Kind of matches the album cover. But yeah. Look at that. That's some nice. This is a nice vinyl. This is a nice vinyl. Alright, can't wait to check this out. If you guys have listened to this project, let me know if you guys like it. Let me know in the comments. And until next time.